Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I have something extraordinary to share with you. As you can see, I've hit the $1 million mark in my PayPal account, and a lot of this comes from selling websites. Stick around and I'll spill the beans on how I did it. And trust me, you'll want to stay until the end because I have some exclusive tips that I've never shared before. Before we start, check out profitills.com. With these AI tools, I managed to automate my online business. Check out my page to automate your own business with AI bots. So, how did I get here? Before I started affiliate marketing, selling digital products or e-commerce stores, I started selling starter websites. And well, how I say it all began with a starter website. I didn't have much money to invest, so I started small. I bought a shared hosting and domain from HostGator and installed WordPress and Elementor on it. I focused on existing niches such as craftsmen or law firms that needed a website and sold them. After beginner, websites sold very well. I bought websites with existing traffic, spruced them up a bit, and then sold them for a profit. It was a simple but effective strategy. As I started making money, I began looking for more expensive deals outside of Flippa. That's when I got in touch with a private broker. Through him, I was able to acquire websites ranging from $15K to $60K. After making some improvements, I flipped these websites for even higher amounts, sometimes raking in between $100K to $150K per sale. Networking played a huge role in my success. I joined online forums, attended webinars, and even cold emailed experts in the field. The insights I gained were invaluable. They helped me understand market trends, buyer behavior, and much more. Networking isn't just about making friends. It's about making smarter business decisions. During this journey, I discovered another goldmine: mobile apps. I realized that just by uploading apps to the Play Store, I could make a side profit ranging from $200 to $600. This extra income helped me cover my personal expenses, allowing me to focus on my main goal, selling high-traffic, high-revenue websites. You might think it's all about luck, but let me tell you, strategy plays a huge role. From choosing the right niche to knowing when to sell, every decision counts. And if you stay tuned until the end, I'll share my top 3 strategies that helped me reach this milestone. Alright, we're nearing the end of this video, and as promised, I have some exclusive tips for you. But before that, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. A common method to determine the selling price of a website is to use a multiple of its monthly profit. This multiple can range from 20x to 60x, the monthly profit, depending on various factors. For a website making $100 per month, this would translate to a selling price between $2,000 and $6,000. Other factors. Websites with higher traffic, especially organic traffic, can command a higher price. Some niches are more profitable and evergreen, which can increase the value of the website. If the website has a lot of room for growth, it can be more appealing to buyers. Subscription-based or other forms of recurring revenue can increase the value. Any digital assets like email lists, social media accounts, etc., can add to the value. There are online calculators and platforms where you can get an estimated value for your website based on various metrics. For an accurate assessment of the value of your beginner websites, you can go to the Flippa website under Valuation. Or, for a more accurate valuation, consider consulting with professionals or brokers who specialize in website sales. Remember, these are just guidelines. The actual selling price can vary based on negotiation and specific circumstances. So there you have it, folks. That's how I built a $1 million website selling business. It wasn't easy, but with the right strategies and a bit of luck, I made it happen. If you found this video helpful and you stayed until the end, thank you. Check my page, profitatools.com, to boost your business with AI bots. Your support means the world to me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my future videos. Until next time, keep hustling